everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to share with you guys the 5 things that I do to help keep my hair healthy and to keep my color bright. That is probably one of the biggest questions that I get on a daily basis is how, for one, is your hair not falling out of your head when you bleach it that much to put color on it? And how do you keep your color so bright? I will go get my hair colored in the salon once every 4 or 5, maybe 6 months. It just depends on how grown out it is. But I am able to keep my color bright and maintain my color at home. So I figured I would tell you guys how I do that. So the first thing that I do is I don't use very much heat on my hair. If I do use a hair dryer, I will put that on the lowest heat possible. One, because my hair is dry as hell. It's curly and it's bleached, so she wants to break off and run the hell away any chance she gets. So putting heat on my hair is a no-no. I don't press my hair straight anymore since I've gotten it cut like this. I used to press it out every so often, but now I don't even do that. So the heat is not even really an issue for me anymore. But yeah, heat rips out, strips color out of your hair. If you are able to get away with not using any heat or very low heat, then that is the #1 tip on keeping your color bright. 2 is I use cool or cold water. Cold water locks the cuticle in the hair closed. So if it keeps the cuticle closed, it's going to keep that color in there longer. I know a lot of people will tell me, you know, they can't keep their hair color bright, especially these bright fashion colors. And the first thing I ask them is, do you use hot water? And most of the time they say yes. And I tell them that is a big thing that will strip your hair color out as well. Using hot water just, you know, rinses that color right out. So I don't use hot water, I use cool water. Third thing that I do is I use sulfate-free shampoo. Again, sulfate is meant to strip the hair of dirt and whatever grime or whatever else is on there, but it also strips the hell out of the color. So if you're using shampoo that is sulfate-free, you should be good. Sulfate in your shampoo will rip your color right out. Also, another thing to help with bright hair color is using a shampoo and conditioner that are meant for your hair color. We have gotten lucky in the last couple years where they have started catering to people who have bright hair color, and they make products specifically for us. So I use the Viral Blue Shampoo by Celeb and also the conditioner. This shit legit, after I wash my hair with this, looks like I just came out of the salon. It refreshes my hair, it looks amazing, and so I use this as well with for shampoo. So in regards to keeping your hair color bright, if you have brighter hair colors, I know purple, there's pinks, there are blues, magentas, is these color masks. Now I did do a video on this, is by Ion, and they are amazing. So it makes your hair feel amazing after you use it, but it also deposits color in your hair. And this is a good way if you don't have hair color, you know, blue or purple, whatever, and you want to change it, you can change your hair color temporarily. If you already have those colors, this is a good way to help keep your hair bright. Yeah, so the few things that I do to keep my hair color bright are I don't use any heat or low heat if I have to, sulfate-free shampoos, or color shampoos that are, you know, color specific. Hair masks that are also color specific, like the Ion's pigment mask, cold water or cool water. Let's go ahead and follow those few things. Your hair color, you will see, will last a lot longer in between salon visits, and you know, that saves you some money because it ain't cheap to go get your hair colored. It's just, you know, it keeps your hair looking healthier and shinier and brighter until you're able to go ahead and get into the salon. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and if you guys use any other products that you have seen help with maintaining your hair color, also leave those in the comments below. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also make sure to hit the notification bell. Hit me up on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. All of those are MakeupMenaree. Anyway, I will see you guys next time.